Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today in this video we are going to learn singular and plural nouns. Now let's start. Wolf, wolves. Shelf, shelves. Calf, calves. Elf, elves. Half, halves. Shelf, shelves. Leaf, leaves. Thief, thieves. Loaf, loaves. Sheaf, sheaves. Wife, wives. Knife, knives. Life, lives. Hoof, hooves. Dwarf, dwarves. Dwarf, dwarves. Scarf, scarves. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.